Comedy Store has given Bebe Cool more than 100 million. Bebe Cool has been performing there. Bebe Cool yaja na ayogedde ku URA. He had come because I had hired fucking him. I had given him my money. I know Bebe Cool is a big artist, but I pay him. I am the client, and I will not lose my position as a client. You understand that? So Rasta okuyimba Comedy Store. Zenga Muhangi. We have a show on Wednesday. Today is Monday. We have ayogedde and who they all sing. Me, I'm a businessman. I just don't. He's talking about motivation. Rasta is talking about motivation. How are you talking about motivation? When you reach in the parking lot at the show where there is 800 people who have come to listen to you, and that show is hosted by your friend. Me, I have been, Bebe Cool is my friend. I live in Chiwatule. I am neighbors with Bebe Cool. He knows my house. His son, Alpha, knows my house. His wife, Zuana, knows my house. Ebya bintu binuma, man. Ebya bintu binuma. Into Rasta soro kuja kushow yangenata yimba. He's my boy, man. That guy, I've known him for over a long time. He's in the industry for about 20 years. Even before I became a comedian, I knew Bebe Cool. Bebe Cool naja kushow yangenata yimba. Ebya bintu binuma. It's not about money, no. But because Rasta wants to promote his strong motivation, he will come to Comedy Store and not perform.
This guy always calls me. Short notice. Then I'm always busy. I don't say that I don't want to perform. I would love to perform for my fans. But I knew my program, but I fixed the guy. So we agreed upon a fee. And then I told him, send me the money. But he said he'll pay me when I arrive.
Yeah.
Even laughed in the message. I said, okay, what time? So I got there 40 minutes before the time. I stayed outside. I linked with his managers and told them, guys, I had even sent my wife. My wife was there earlier, 2 hours earlier. Yeah, today I was having fun. Most of my people, usually when I have gigs, I have those special people who will never miss. But what surprised me is this fellow did not even take time to come out. Despite all the efforts that I put in, Jukira Nalimva press conference now, round table.
Yeah.
A food day organization or co-reality. Naye oze ogambye omuntu kukiza endio yena asalawo okubeera nga mpeereza buno bukacaca bwe bujja butambula kati what annoyed me is this ani omuntu asobola okusettinga up mu audience nerowooza nti yemubi kati ali ku stage bampita kyokka bakimanyi tebanasasula kuga I'm setting up nti mbere ku pressure olwokuba abantu kati bansuubira kubeera kuki stage. That's number one. Omanyi kankubulire my bro, hypocrites bakuulira ku nsengo teri kintu kizibu nga the least person. It depends on how much you sacrifice for that individual. Bino bijja batuukako in life. Kale, this is what I can say. Musonyiwa naye ne mwesonyiwa. Whereby I kusonye, but I can't work with you. I can't even allow you next to me or close to me. Because now I know who you are. Oli jembe munda muli kugamba. Mubulako just kubikukawa na ekintu kiveeyo kiri abantu. Because that's really such a statement. How? Which so it's not about the statement, but it's about now what the statement shows you the person is, and people don't change. When a person shows you a color, that's it. So it's up to you to color your next move. No. It seems a very just musikula busanguzi mu maso gange and I for